How to sign in into Steam using QR code. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can sign in on Steam using QR code. So without further delay, let's get started. So open up Steam on your PC. After you open up Steam, you will see this login prompt, and on next to that, there is this QR code. All you have to do is scan this QR code with the Steam mobile application. So on your mobile device, download the Steam mobile if you have not already, then log in into your Steam account. Once you logged in into your mobile device under the Steam, on the home screen, tap on the QR code at the top right corner. And in case if you cannot find the QR code option on the Steam mobile application, head over to three line, that is a menu bar, then head over to the confirmations or Steam card, then tap on sign in with QR. Now all you have to do is you have to use your phone to scan the QR code that is displayed on your PC screen. Once you scan this QR code through your mobile application, you will see a confirmation request on your phone. Then tap on approve on your mobile device when prompted. Then you'll be instantly signed in into Steam on your PC as well. So that's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.